Everyone concentrate, those who are there. We are into the dissolution. So dissolutions we are doing, we are closing the business. Now in this one, what I'm doing, the problem is from the Kalyani publications, that is Ram, Rahim and Robert are partners in the firm, sharing the profit and losses in the ratio of 3 is to 3 is to 2 ma. So 3 is to 3 is to 2 means total is how much? 3 plus 3 plus 3, 2 is equal to 8. So their balance sheet as on 31st March 2017 was as follows. In that he gave a partners capital account of Ram, Rahim and Robert, and partners current account also he has given of Ram, Rahim and Robert. So that is the reason I'm doing here. You need not confused when he is giving us separate capital and current accounts. So he is like in the previous chapter when we were doing admission or retirement, at that time if it was fluctuating or those things we used to do it separately. Here if you want to do it separately we can do it, ma, or else if we want just we can leave it also, that's not a big deal, because I can combine and I can do the combinedly also. I need not go for doing it separately. Why? Because in the previous chapter, whether it is fluctuating method or a fixed method, we has to follow in the same manner. If it is a fixed method, then I should go for preparing fixed capital and a fluctuating capital compulsory. And if it is a fluctuating capital, I need not go for two accounts. Simply, I'll go with the one account. That was the thing we used to do. Because why? Because they were still continuing, the business was not closing, it was still continuing. So when it was mentioned, so we has to follow it. But in the dissolution the company is itself is closing. What is me doing, whether it is a fixed capital or a fluctuating capital, it doesn't make a difference anything, because however I have to settle their final payment and I have to pay them. So that is the reason if he is giving me a current account and capital account separately, if you want to go for it, you can, or else simply avoid it. It doesn't make any kind of a difference. So here he gave these two things, and the liabilities he only gave credit as one, nothing else he has given. On the asset side, he gave bank, stock, investments, debtors, land and buildings, and a goodwill he gave. So goodwill in the previous chapter it used to be very important because we used to share them to the old partners. But here there is no such thing. It is also like any other asset only. Here goodwill means it is also like any other asset only. Why? Because the business itself is closing out. So it is not going to continue. So goodwill is also like any other asset has to be transferred to the realization, and it has to be taken by, or it is usually taken by any of the partner actually. So this will be done. And adjustments he has given is they decided to dissolve the firm on 1st April 2017. They report the results of the realization as follows. Land and buildings 90 realized in cash, debtors 60 realized in cash, investments 55 taken over by Ram it seems. It was not sold ma, it was taken away by the partner. Stock 75 500 taken by Rahim, goodwill 18,000 taken by Robert. The realization expenses amounted to rupees 2,000. Close the accounts of the firm, he said. So he's asking to close the accounts. So he's not asking any journal entries. So we are going to close this. As of now, you people are very good in journal entries. So that is the reason directly I'm going with the account only. So first I'm doing the realization. So simultaneously I'm doing cash also. If anything journal entry you want, you just tell me after the completion of sum. We are going to write the journal entry. This is my cash account. So simultaneously, I'm doing all the accounts so that it will be easy for you. Here, three partners are there. So that's why three amounts. So first is realization account. Second is bank or cash account. And third is partners capital accounts. Amount. Now, first realization, what we are going to do? We'll transfer all the assets now except a bank. Did he mention that cash is to be taken into the realization? No, na. So that's why I'm taking, I'm not excluding the bank, and rest all I'm taking it. So first here, what all the assets we have? We have stock, investments, debtors, land, and goodwill. So total 5 are there. So continuously I'm taking 2 stock. So actual book value is 69,000. Then investments. Investments is 6,000. Then two debtors. Sorry, it's a spelling mistake. Just take down. Debtors, how much he gave? 70,000. After debtors, two land and building. Land and building, how much he gave land and building? 1,25,000. Then last is two goodwill, which is 25,000 again. Now this is done. Next, what is that we are going to do? We are going to transfer the liabilities also. No, if I have transferred asset, I should transfer liabilities. So buy sundry creditors, because we have only one, so that we are going to transfer. The amount is 47,500. Now this is over. Now once I have transferred all the assets will be sold out now. So when I am selling, I will write here. So buy cash. First we got sold what, ma? He said land and building got sold. So land here, how much it was sold? Land is sold for 90,000, it seems. Then again buy cash. Next is debtors. Debtors, we got the cash, it seems. So how much is the amount we got again in the form of debtors? Debtors is 60,000. Next, investments. Investments, did we get cash, ma? No, Ram is taking. So that's why his name will come. Investments. How much for he is taking? He is taking for 100. Next, buy. Rahim is taking what? Rahim is taking stock. He's taking stock for the amount 75,500. Then buy Robert. Robert is taking goodwill. So how much is a goodwill? Goodwill he is taking for 18,000. Now this is the paragraph information is done. Then he said there was realization expenses. So realization expenses, where we are going to take? Again here we are going to take it now. So that's why when the realization expenses are paid, we are going to write to cash within a bracket expenses. So how much is the amount? 2,000. Then here he didn't speak about anything creditors, but still I said, though he is not speaking, we are going to take, we have to pay the liabilities. So that's why again the liabilities are paid in the form of cash only. So cash, creditors, how much is the amount? 47,500. I think this is it. Now will you count it or shall I count? Okay, I'll count it. On the credit side, 47,500 plus 90 plus 60,000 plus 5,500 plus 75,500 plus 18,000. The amount is 2,96,500. 2,96,500. On the debit side,
3,44,500.
3,44,500 minus 2,96,500 చేస్తే 48,000 వస్తుంది. 48, it is on which side? On the credit side. That means it is not a profit, ma. We are getting a loss. So whether it is a profit or a loss, it has to be shared between whom? Partners. So that's why now how many are there? 3 partners are there. So we are going to share by Ram. His share is how much? 3/8. So 3/8, how much you are going to get?
18,000.
18,000. Then by Rahim, his share is also same, so he will also get 18,000 only, because 3:3:2 is there. Next, by Robert, 36, my 36 under
12,000.
12,000. The total in the outer column, the total loss is 48,000. So here I'll write better. The ratio, I'm writing here ratio. Ratio is equal to 3:3:2. That's how we have shared. So the total is again on which side? Here it is on the 3,44,500 kada. How much? 3,44,500. Here also it's 3,44,500 over. Now come down to this one. Partners capital. Now capital will be on which side? Now here we'll do simultaneously this cash and this one. So cash opening balance will be on which side? Debit side. To balance brought down. How much is the brought down? 55,000 is the brought down. Whereas partners are liability, so that's why their opening balance will be on the credit side as by balance brought down. First I'm doing combinedly capital balances. Capital balances how much more? 75,000. Next person is 75,000 and next person 1 lakh. Then by balance brought down, this is current account. $15,000, 25,000, and here it is 12,500. Now this is done. Now here, did we got a loss or a profit? Profit means we are going to share here this side, but I think we got lost, so we will not share this side. No, we'll share it on the next, on the debit side. And even I'll check, do we have any old profits? Here we don't have any old profits apart from creditors. We don't have any old profits, so that's why nothing is to be posted on the credit side. Now we'll come down to this debit side. Now before posting into debit side, I said we'll go with doing simultaneously both the things. No, so what I'm going to do, wherever in the realization, wherever the cash is there, I'm going to post it opposite in the cash book. Now just see here on the debit side, I have cash 2 times on the debit. So next posting will be on the credit side. Which account I'm taking? Realization. So by realization, one is for expense. Amount is 2,000. Next one, again by realization. Next is for the creditors we are paying. So creditors amount is 47,500. Now here come down to the debit side. Cash is how many times? Here also it's only 2 times. So that's why to realization within a bracket. One is land. 90,000. ఎవరది మ్యూట్ పెట్టేసేయండి. టీవీ పెట్టుకొని చూస్తున్నారు ఎవరో. Now realization la nunchi whatever we have to do, we have done it. So two postings we have completed. Now come down here. Again go to the realization. Now we are into the capital accounts కాబట్టి వాళ్ళ నేమ్స్ తో ఏమైనా పోస్టింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయా చూడాలి. సో ఒకసారి చూసుకుంటే నాన్న here on the credit side Ram, Rahim, Robert is there. Again regarding a loss also Ram, Rahim, Robert are there. అంటే two postings ఉన్నాయి. సో ఫస్ట్ ఈ రెండు కూడా మళ్ళీ రియలైజేషన్ నుంచే కదా. సో రియలైజేషన్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ అసెట్. సో ఫస్ట్ investments. Who is taking investments? 500. Next to realization, next fellow is taking stock, that is been taken by Rahim kabati. How much? 7500. Then to realization, this person is taking goodwill, and the value Robert is taking for the goodwill is 18,000. Now ఇది అయిపోయింది, 3 postings అయిపోయింది. Next to realization again, this time it is loss. So 3 we have shared. How much? First person 18,000, second person 18,000, and third person 12,000. Now all the postings have been completed. Now balance it. Tell me.
Ram's 90,000, ma'am.
90,000 minus 23,000.
66,500.
Wait, what we'll do? Cash and rastam kada, balancing figure.
Yes, ma'am. To cash balancing.
First person is 66,000.
500. 1 lakh. Rahim. Minus 75,500 plus 18,000. 6,500.
Next, 1,12,500 minus 30.
Minus 30. 82,500.
That's it. Now these again we have cash, no? We have to write here first is on the debit. So that means the next posting will come on the credit side. From whom we have taken their capital. So by Ram, how much? Ram is 66,500. Next by Rahim is 6,500. And by Robert is 82,500. Over. Now these balances I'll do. Meantime, you just see whether they are tallying or not. I'll complete balances. Then you tell me.
Balancing, ma'am.
Yeah, both the sides it are balancing, no?
Yes, ma'am. 2,05,000.
Okay. First, let me write this one. So here, first one is 90,000. Second is 1 lakh. Third is 1,12,500. 90,000. 1 lakh. 1,12,500. Over. And here, what is the total you said? For 2,05,000, na? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's it. Is this clear now? So what do you do for this one? You write down journal entries by yourself.
Hmm.
You write down a journal entries. And if any homework I have to give, I'll check and I'll give the homework for you people. And intimate all your friends. These were the not the Dashera vacation, they were a preparation holidays. So exams postponed it, so the classes have been continued as it is. So that's why everyone has to join. Everyone took the screenshots.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before that, let me take attendance. Only 11 are present. Let me take attendance.